Good morning, dear students. Let's start differentiation. We are doing derivatives of inverse trigonometric functions. So, students, let's start with question number 11. Here we have find derivative of y with respect to x in y is equals to cos inverse 1 minus x squared over 1 plus x squared, where x lies between 0 and 1. First, notice the formula cos 2 theta is equals to 1 minus tan square theta over 1 plus tan square theta. Now, compare the question with this formula. In this way, clearly you will observe that if we put x is equals to tan theta, then question becomes more easier. So students, let's start the solution. Here y is equals to cos inverse 1 minus x squared over 1 plus x squared. Here we put x is equals to tan theta. In this way we get y is equals to cos inverse 1 minus tan square theta over 1 plus tan square theta. And this makes the formula of cos 2 theta, and cos and cos inverse both are the inverse function of each other, and here x lies between 0 and 1. So in this way we get y is equals to 2 theta. Now we have to derivative with respect to x, and our question is in the form of x. But students, here we come at theta, so put the value of theta in terms of x from here. In this way we get theta is equals to tan inverse x. Now put this value again and then we do derivatives. So in this way we get y is equals to 2 tan inverse x, and now differentiate both sides with respect to x. In this way 2 is constant here, so 2 remain as it is, and derivative of tan inverse x is 1 over 1 plus x square. This is the formula, and derivative of x is 1. Okay, so in this way we get the required result. Result is dy over dx is equals to 2 over 1 plus x squared. Now move to the next one. Here we have next question. Find dy by dx in y is equals to sine inverse 1 minus x squared over 1 plus x squared, and here x lies between 0 and 1. This is a similar question. Here first notice this one formula that we have already studied. Cos 2 theta is equals to 1 minus tan square theta over 1 plus tan square theta. So students, आप देख सकते हैं दोनों को मैच करके if we put x is equals to tan theta, in this way we get 1 minus tan square theta over 1 plus tan square theta. This makes the formula of cos 2 theta. But cos and sine inverse both are not the inverse function of each other. So in this way we have to convert cos into sine. So students, convert करने के लिए we have only one method. Here you will write sine pi by 2 minus this angle. In this way we get sine inverse and sine both are inverse function, and we get pi by 2 minus 2 theta. In this similar way we will put the value of theta as tan inverse x. So we get here y is equals to pi by 2 minus 2 tan inverse x. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x. In this way pi by 2 is constant, so derivative of pi by 2 is 0, minus 2 remain as it is, and derivative of tan inverse x is 1 over 1 plus x squared. So students, in this way this is the required result. You can see here the solution. Yes, now move to the next one. Here we have question number 13. Question number 13. Find the derivative of y is equals to cos inverse 2x over 1 plus x square. Students, first notice that 2x over 1 plus x square is the formula of sine 2 theta. Students, sine 2x is equals to 2 tan theta over 1 plus tan square theta. In this way, if we put here tan theta, then we will get yes students, we are on this step here. If we put here 2 tan theta 1 plus tan square theta, this makes the formula of sine 2 theta. But here sine and cos inverse both are not inverse function of each other. So here we will convert a sine into cos by pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Okay, so in this way cos and cos inverse will cancel together and we will get y is equals to pi by 2 minus 2 theta. So students, put here the value of theta. Theta is tan inverse x. This is a similar question, but you have to learn all the formulas of 11th class trigonometry because all are very useful in this chapter. And now here you can see that y is equals to pi by 2 minus 2 tan inverse x. We have put here the value of theta as tan inverse x. Now derivative with respect to x. So in this way we get derivative of pi by 2 is 0, minus 2 remain as it is, and derivative of tan inverse x is 1 over 1 plus x square. In this way you get the result dy by dx is equals to minus 2 multiply with 1 over 1 plus x squared. This is your required result. Now here we have question number 14. Students, first compare the given statement with the previous formulas. Here you can see that find dy by dx and y is equals to sine inverse 2x under root 1 minus x squared, where x lies between minus 1 over root 2 1 over root 2. स्टूडेंट्स आप देख सकते हैं कि हम फॉर्मूला ऑलरेडी स्टडी कर चुके हैं. साइन 2x इज इक्वल्स टू 2 साइन x cos x. Okay, so by comparing this one here, you can see that 2 sin x cos x. If we put x is equals to sin theta, then we will make 2 sin theta under root 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta is equals to cos square theta, and that turns into cos theta. So 2 sin theta cos theta will make together the formula of sin 2x, that is here sin 2 theta. In this way we get y is equals to 2 theta. So put the value of theta here. From this we get x is equals to sin theta is equals to sin inverse x. So in this way, by putting this value, we get here y is equals to 2 sin inverse x. Now differentiate with respect to x. Here we get 2 is constant, derivative of sin inverse x is 1 over under root 1 minus x squared. So next derivative of x is 1. In this way we have completed this question also. You can see the required result. Now move to the next question. Here we have question number 15. Find dy by dx in y is equals to secant inverse 1 over 2x square minus 1, where x lies between 0 and 1 over root 2. Students, we have already studied the properties of inverse trigonometric functions. In that one, we have studied that secant inverse x is equals to cos inverse 1 over x. By using this one, you will write here y is equals to cos inverse 2x squared minus 1. आपको सिंपल क्या करना है, सिर्फ आपको एंगल का रेसिप्रोकल करना है, बिकॉज secant and cos both functions are inverse of each other, because both are reciprocal of each other. So students, you can see here that You can write down directly this after this one. Either you want to write this one, that is up to you. So in this way we will get y is equals to cos inverse 2x square minus 1. And all of you already studied about the formula. Formula is cos 2x is equals to 2 cos square x minus 1. So by comparing this one with this expression, we will put x is equals to cos theta. So in this way we get y is equals to cos inverse 2 cos square theta minus 1, and here 2 cos square theta minus 1 is cos 2 theta. In this way y is equals to 2 theta, and again we have to put the value of theta from here. So we get y is equals to 2 cos inverse x, and now differentiate with respect to x. In this way we get the derivative, and derivative of 2 is constant, and here we have cos inverse x. Formula is minus 1 over under root 1 minus square of angle. In this way this is our required result. So students, in this way today we have completed the exercise 5.3. Do more and more practice. So thank you for watching the complete video.